Babaw Belen, welcome to Iron Pampanga.
Yeah, for today's vlog, alam ko nakikita nyo na tong restaurant na to, pero nakita nyo na ba siya sa loob?
Sa loob, ayun guys. So for sure, masusurprise po kayo, kaya samahan nyo po kami sa video na to. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Angry Crab, Angeles City.
So if you want to know more about it, samahan nyo kami sa tara. Let's go!
So ayun guys, yung look and feel natin dito, parang old Filipino village. And actually yun daw yung mga hinahanap ng mga Koreans sa mga tourists. At least ma-feel nila yung paano yung before sa mga Filipino villages. Especially yung mga may mga wood carvings, mga anito, ganyan. So ayun guys, kung kayo naman taga Pampanga na ganito yung feel niyo rin, mga hinahanap niyo. Actually marami po sila. Kung na-appreciate niyo yung mga ganitong mga artifacts na galing. Guys, dito sa room na to, this is also a dining area. Pero dito guys, kasama ninyo yung mga live crabs. So dito, yan, may mga, I don't know what they call this. Tapos may parang flowing water tayo dito. Dito guys, makikita nyo talaga na buhay pa yung mga crabs bago nila talaga lulutuin. Sa loob ng restaurant natin, it has a lot of sections and mga subdivisions, mga ganyan. This is one of their rooms, one of the rooms that you can occupy kung gusto niyo ng privacy. So they have 5 rooms na katulad nito. So ayun guys, this is our table sa likod. So it's like a restaurant and a museum at the same time. No, ang dami pong mga artifact na talagang dito niyo lang makikita. I mean, these are unique, one of its kind. Yung mga iba dito po, no? May mga murals, may mga paintings, may mga like 3D paintings. Ang dami po. So again, if you are interested not just for the food but also for the items na makikita niyo po dito, you gotta visit this one. Okay, so on our table, 2 sets po yung pini-prepare po nila. Introduce po namin sa inyo yung kanilang Philco set. So this one is for 5,000 pesos only.
Yes.
This is good for 4 people.
Pero kung pagbabasihan mo yung dami, feeling ko mas marami pa ang pwedeng kumain
I think up
dito.
until 6 siguro, talagang busog na busog kayo. So what do you have on our Philco set?
Sa Philco set natin, meron tayo kanilang chili crab,
Yeah.
yung kanilang fried crab.
Yes.
Yun. Meron din tayo kanilang gambas, yung sinigang na hipon.
This one.
Meron din tayo kanilang buttered scallop, yung kanilang bulgogi. Meron din tayo kanilang seafood fried rice, salad, and syempre pang dessert, panghimagas ay yung kanilang mixed fruits.
So ayun guys, so this is the Philco set. This is only for 5,000 pesos. Let's upgrade it to reset. Alright, so eto yun guys. Grabe.
Yes.
Ubus kaya natin.
So ito naman yung kanilang tourist set.
That's sorry.
8,000 pesos.
8,000
Pero
pesos.
tingnan mo naman yung dinagdag. So ngayon, magkakaroon tayo ng steamed crab. Yan. May additional tayo kanilang buttered shrimp, seafood soup, and yung kanilang parboiled shrimp. Yan yung mga nadagdag dun sa set natin kanina.
So actually guys, just to let you know, so yung soup pala natin dun sa Philco and Tourist, interchangeable. So you can either choose
Sinigang
or this one. Alright, so what else to do? Let's try this.
Wow.
Good. Wow, that is so fat.
Siyempre, para upgrade natin yung experience, lagyan natin ng suka. Lagyan natin ng suka. Ayan. Then, diretso na.
you. That was so great, bro. Sulit ang set.
Sulit ang set.
Sulit ang set. Wow. Warning. Warning. It's spicy. Game. Oh yeah. I like it.
Wow.
Yep. So yung fried rice nila, it comes with, of course, yung mga seafood natin which are also available here. Next is itong kanilang buttered scallops flavor. Ang kanilang seafood gambas. Alright, ito yun. Ay, grabe, Mark. Isa na namang restaurant ang ating na-discover dito po sa Angeles City. And ako, talagang sobrang na-shock.
Iba ang panlabas, iba din yung style niya sa loob, iba din yung mga sinaserve nila.
Although, Mark, just to give information to our viewers, actually, si Angry Crab, even pre-pandemic, existing na siya. So, there was a time na talagang this was a go-to place for mga Koreans, mga tourists. And now, they are opening this one to locals.
Yes.
Kaya nga meron silang iba-ibang set din and dishes na talagang papatok para sa atin.
Yes, kung kayo naman gustong pumunta dito sa may Angry Crab, located lang ito dito sa may Korean town. And they are open from 11 a.m. up to 12 midnight every day.
Ayun. So, ayun po. If you gotten this far dito sa video na to, I'm sure talagang natakam po kayo sa mga food na pinakita namin. So, pa-comment naman po kung ano yung nagustuhan nyo. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you on the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out.
Bye, guys.